Today, I'm gonna show you the easy way to make honey mustard sauce for Korean corn dog and peri-peri sauce. In a mixing bowl, put 2 kilograms of mayonnaise, 300 grams of white sugar, 30 grams of lemon juice, 60 grams of honey, 5 grams of black pepper powder, 5 grams of iodized salt, 14 ounces or 397 grams of yellow mustard. Use whisk to evenly mix all the ingredients. And it's done! Our honey mustard sauce for Korean corn dog and for peri-peri sauce. Thanks, see you in my next video guys. This is Relax Food Blog saying goodbye and God bless.